name is Tom Burton. I'm joined today by...
I'm Jeff Welsh, I'm the engineering manager for Lampride.
And I'm Tim Bowles, I'm the CE Product Operations Manager for Kubota Tractor Corporation.
So what's new at Kubota? We're standing in front of it. It's the model SCL 1000. So it's been a beautiful journey for our company. When you look at this machine, and you look at it closely, you'll realize it was a fun project because all we had to do was take an existing machine that sits behind you, an SVL 75, an SVL 95, and we made it smaller. We took the cab off and we put a platform on the back. So in typical Kubota fashion, yes, we make it. It's powered by a Kubota engine. It's got 36 inches of total width. It's narrow, it's on purpose. Tracks are just short of 10 inches wide. Beautiful footprint. 4 PSI is the ground pressure if you're doing the calculation. The rated operating capacity of our new machine is 1,000 pounds. That's 35% of the tipping load. So it's 1,000 pounds. And you can see from the lift arm design here, just like our bigger machines, we chose to have, instead of a radial lift, we have a lift which is vertical, which will extend as it goes up. Maximizes your reach, maximizes your lift height. The operator platform on the back is adjustable, depending on weight. Yes, there is a cup holder. And it works. To operate the machine, we did not reinvent this. To operate the machine and to make it move, your left hand is used to run the machine. Your right hand, just typical loader convention, is used to move the loader arm up and down and to move the CII plate that's on the front back and forth. We did not reinvent that. We did reinvent the cup holder. It's adjustable. The machine also has, although it's smaller, there's 5 rollers on that track to give it side-to-side stability. And this whole project came along through input from our dealers. We don't start these from scratch. We wait for our dealers to give us advice and counsel. We follow the advice and counsel, and then we get going on our engineering projects. So Tim's going to give us a little more depth on that.
Thank you, Tom. Just as Tom said, what we do is we go out and we interview our dealers and their customers and find out what they like and what they don't like and what type of machines they want. And this project was a collaborative effort between Lampride and Kubota Tractor Corporation and our Kubota Corporation Japanese engineers. So all of us had a hand in this. Kubota Tractor Corporation focused more on the sales and marketing side of it, while we let Lampride do a lot of the engineering and design. But it was a collaborative effort. We went out, we did several surveys, took the machine out as a prototype, got feedback, made changes, and it's the process that we do. So with that, Jeff and I are going to kind of banter back and forth through our 5 top features, or key features, that was most important from those. And I'll start with one of the key features was that was asked was for a keyless start system and password system on it. So our dash that we're using is a color 4.3 inch monitor that can be easily seen in the sun. There is no key. It's a passcode start. The owner will have a higher level passcode, and they'll be able to set multiple operator codes in there as well. So it's what they were asking for. The feedback so far has been really great. And with that, I'd like to kick it over to Jeff to talk about the next item, the second one.
Thanks, Tim. As Tom mentioned earlier, this is a 36-inch wide machine, and it has 10-inch tracks on it. So that's a very narrow machine, so you can get through gates to get in and out of the backyard, but yet it has wide tracks, so it limits the ground pressure, so you do minimal turf damage while you're going in and out of the backyard. Tim?
So, excuse me. So with that, you know, these machines are designed to carry and to do multiple tasks. With all that traversing from the front of the property to the back, What better way to get your job done faster than to provide a fast travel speed? Our travel speed on this machine is 5.1 miles per hour, both forward and reverse. It's the fastest out there for this size of machine. So,
another great feature this machine has is the undercarriage. It's welded to the frame. It's not a bolt-on design. So similar to its big brothers, the SVL 75 and 95, it has a double roller in the front, 5 oil bath rollers. It has a grease cylinder to tension the tracks, and it has a kind of an angle design on the frame so it sheds material. So it has a proven undercarriage that's taken from the bigger machines.
And what better way to power this machine than with our Kubota D902 turbocharged engine. So the turbocharger is a new thing for under 25 horsepower. It's going to do a couple of different things. It allows us to run the engine at a lower RPM, so we produce less noise than some of our competitors out there. And it's going to allow us to run at a higher altitude and not have issues with the engine breathing on that. So we're really excited about this product. That's just the top 5 or so things. Tom already mentioned a bunch of others, and then there's many more things that we can talk about a little bit later on a more one-on-one type thing. So now I'd like to turn it back over to Jeff to cover our initial attachment launch.
Okay, so in addition to helping design the machine, Lampride has designed 5 new attachments that we'll introduce with this machine. They start with a bucket. It comes with a standard 36-inch bucket. You can also get a 42-inch bucket, and you can see the high-capacity 48-inch bucket here in front of me. In addition to the bucket, we'll have a line of pallet forks. They're 1,200-pound rated pallet forks that come in 42-inch width or 36-inch, not width, but length of the tines. We're also offering an auger, and you can get 6-inch to 24-inch size augers to fit that. It is designed to match the flow of the machine. On the other side of the machine, we have a 48-inch power rake that you can manually angle to do your leveling in the backyard. And then to my left here behind the machine, we have a trencher, and we're going to offer the trencher in 3 different sizes. We'll have a 30-inch, a 36-inch, and a 48-inch for trenching depth, with a variety of chains that are available. With that, I'll turn it back over to Tom.
So here's the summary. It's a beautiful machine. It weighs 3,000 pounds. It has a 1,000-pound rated operating capacity. It has 6 attachments out of the gate. It has a keyless dash. It has pilot-operated controls, not electric over hydraulic and not manual, so you can feel your way and proportion your way through any job. And like everything that's on the carpet that you're currently standing on, it's made by Kubota. We make our stuff, we design it, we manufacture it, and we sell it through our dealers. So that ends our short release for the SCL 1000, and if you're a member of the press, we do have some press kits for you before you depart our property. And on behalf of us, the SCL launch team, we would like to thank you very much for coming out. So, thank you.
Thank you.